To access your BIOS settings for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, start the computer, hold the Think Vantage button down, then F1. So you want to move across to security, I/O ports, and just make sure wireless, WiMAX, wireless and Bluetooth, USB, etc. are all enabled. I've just got everyone enabled, so let's make sure that's alright. So go in your Wi-Fi settings in Windows 10 or Bluetooth. Just type in Bluetooth. So you got Bluetooth settings there. You can sometimes have a key up here, one of the F1 buttons for Wi-Fi, and also there's a little switch on the side here for your Wi-Fi on this model.